Welcome to Narayana online digital classes. My name is DSN Raju Verma. Today we are going to discuss about some objective questions based on oxidation numbers, stoichiometry oxidation numbers. Okay. Oxidation state. Oxidation state of nitrogen is not an integer. Okay. Before going to discuss about oxidation numbers, first of all, what is the definition of oxidation number and what are the rules and regulations in the calculation of oxidation number? The assumed charge present in an atom in a molecule or ion is called oxidation number. Okay. Now, some rules and regulations in the calculation of oxidation number. Any element, any atom in uncombined state, elementary state, or combined with its own elements, oxidation number taken as 0. For example, hydrogen 0, fluorine 0, chlorine 0, nitrogen 0, uncombined state, elementary state. Otherwise, H2 molecule oxidation number is 0 because you are combined with its own element. And F2 0, Cl2, N2 0. Okay. And fluorine oxidation number always -1, unique oxidation number. Always because of high electronegativity, fluorine exhibits only -1 oxidation number. And 1A group elements oxidation number +1 only. And 2A group elements oxidation number +2 only. Okay. And hydrogen common oxidation number is +1. In most of the compounds, hydrogen oxidation number is +1 except 1A, 2A and 3A hydrides. For example, NaH, sodium hydride, 1A group hydride, Na +1, then hydrogen -1. In 1A, 2A, 3A group hydrides, hydrogen oxidation number is taken as -1. Okay. In remaining hydrides, as usual, +1 is the oxidation number. In case of oxygen, in oxides, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. O2-, that is oxide ion. Okay. In most of the compounds, oxygen exists as oxide. Common oxidation number is -2. And in peroxides, O2 2-, peroxide, O single bond O is present in peroxide. -1, -1. Each oxygen oxidation number -1. In superoxides, O2- is superoxide ion. Generally, large sized potassium, rubidium, cesium will form superoxides. Here KO2, potassium superoxide, RbO2, rubidium superoxide, CSO2, cesium superoxide. Okay. In superoxides, oxygen oxidation number is -1/2. Okay. Elementary form 0, uncombined state. Otherwise, combined with its own elements, molecules, there 0 is the oxidation number. When oxidation number happens, when we will calculate, when element combined with other kind of elements, then only we can calculate the oxidation number of that element. Fluorine, unique oxidation number -1 always because of high electronegativity. Okay. Fluorine is the element in which contains highest electronegativity in entire periodic table. You know that already. And 1A group elements, only +1 is oxidation number. 2A +2, hydrogen +1 except 1A, 2A hydrides. Oxygen in oxides -2, in peroxides -1, in superoxides -1/2. You know that. And one more important point, the sum of all the oxidation numbers should be 0 in neutral molecules. For example, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, KMnO4. Let us calculate the oxidation number of manganese. Let it be X. Here potassium, 1A group element, +1 is oxidation number. Here manganese, let it be X. Okay, 4 oxygen atoms. Here 4 into oxygen, common oxidation number -2. Then this is the neutral molecule. That's why sum of all the oxidation number should be equal to 0. Here +1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to +7 is oxidation number of manganese. In case of ions, for example, NH4 plus ammonium ion or SO4 2 minus sulfate ion, the sum of all the oxidation numbers should be equal to charge present on it, either positive charge or negative charge. In this example, let us calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. Let it be X. X plus 4 into +1 is equal to charge present on it +1. X plus 4 is equal to +1. X is equal to +1 minus 4 is equal to -3 is oxidation number of nitrogen in NH4 plus. A last example, SO4 2 minus. Let us calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. Let it be X plus 4 into oxygen -2. The sum of all the oxidation number should be equal to charge present on it. Here -2. Then X minus 8 is equal to -2. X is equal to +6. That is the way to calculate oxidation numbers. Now that first question, okay, oxidation states of nitrogen is not an integer in. First NH2OH, okay, nitrogen X, okay, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 into +1, and oxygen -2, okay, plus -2 plus hydrogen +1 is equal to 0. Now X plus 2 -2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then X is equal to -1 is oxidation number of nitrogen. Okay, -1 is oxidation number of nitrogen. And ammonia NH3, nitrogen, let it be X plus 3 into +1, 3 into +1 is equal to 0. Here X is equal to -3 is oxidation number of nitrogen in ammonia. N2H4 hydrazine, N2H4, okay, 2X plus 4 into +1 is equal to 0. Now 2X plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2X is equal to -4, X is equal to -2 is oxidation number of nitrogen in that hydrazine. He is asking about not an integer, N3H hydrozoic acid. N3H hydrozoic acid. Okay. Nitrogen, let it be X. 3 nitrogens, 3X. 3X plus 1 is equal to 0. 3X is equal to -1. Now X is equal to -1/3. Okay, it is non-integer oxidation number. Then option 4 is correct. Next question. Okay. The oxidation state of oxygen is maximum in bleaching powder CaOCl2. Okay. Before that, the oxidation state of phosphorus is maximum in pH3. First pH3, phosphorus oxidation number. X plus 3 into +1 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to X plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies X is equal to -3. Here phosphorus -3 is oxidation number. P2H4 diphosphine P2H4, 2X plus 4 into +1, 4 into +1 is equal to 0. Now 2X plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 2X is equal to -4. Now X is equal to minus 2 is oxidation number of phosphorus in that diphosphine. Okay. Metaphosphoric acid, HPO3, metaphosphoric acid. Hydrogen plus 1, phosphorus, let it be X, plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now plus 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to plus 5 is oxidation number of phosphorus in metaphosphoric acid. Now last one, phosphorus acid, H3PO3. 3 into plus 1 plus X plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 3 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to plus 3 is oxidation number of phosphorus in that phosphorus acid. He asking about the maximum oxidation number of phosphorus. HPO3 metaphosphoric acid plus 5. Okay. Next question. The oxidation state of oxygen is maximum in first one, bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder, CaOCl2, CaOCl2 is the structure of bleaching powder. Here calcium 2A group element plus 2 is oxidation number, oxygen minus 2 oxidation number. These two chlorines having different oxidation numbers. The chlorine attached to oxygen have plus 1 oxidation number. The chlorine attached to the calcium, it has minus 1 oxidation number, 2 oxidation numbers. Okay. And OF2, oxygen difluoride. Okay. Let us calculate the oxidation number of oxygen. Here oxygen, let it be X, plus 2 into fluorine always minus 1 is equal to 0. Now X minus 2 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to plus 2. Plus 2 is oxidation number of oxygen. Here oxygen minus 2. Okay. Now O2F2, dioxygen difluoride, O2F2. Let the oxidation number of oxygen is X, 2X, plus 2 into fluorine minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2X minus 2 is equal to 0. 2X is equal to 2. Now X is equal to plus 1 is oxidation number. Here plus 1 is oxidation number of oxygen. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. You know that in peroxides, oxygen oxidation number is minus 1. 2 into plus 1 plus 2X is equal to 0. Plus 2 plus 2X is equal to 0. 2X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 1. Okay. He asking about the maximum oxidation number. Here oxygen minus 2. Here oxygen plus 2. Here plus 1. Here minus 1. Then option 2 is correct. OF2. Oxygen difluoride. Okay. Next question. The oxidation number of chlorine is maximum in. Let us calculate the oxidation numbers of chlorine in each this molecule, 4 molecules. HOCl, its name is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. Plus 1, minus 2, plus X is equal to 0. Okay. Now X is equal to 2 minus 1. Plus 1 is oxidation number of chlorine in HOCl. Second one, Cl2O6, chlorine hexoxide, 2X. Let us calculate the oxidation number of chlorine. Here 2 chlorine atoms, that's why 2X. 2X plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 2X minus 12 is equal to 0. 2X is equal to plus 12. Now X is equal to plus 6. Plus 6 is oxidation number of chlorine. And KClO4, potassium perchlorate. Potassium perchlorate is the KClO4. Potassium plus 1 plus X plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0, plus 1 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 8 minus 1, that equal to 7 plus 7. Plus 7 is oxidation number of chlorine. And last one, NaClO3. NaClO3, sodium chlorate, Na plus 1, Cl, let it be x, plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 6 minus 1 plus 5 is oxidation number of chlorine. He is asking about maximum oxidation number. Here plus 7, KClO4. Okay, option 3 is correct. Next question. One of the following element always exhibits only -1 oxidation state in all of its compounds with other elements. The element is, you know that fluorine, the element which contains highest electronegativity in entire periodic table is fluorine, unique oxidation number -1 oxidation number. Yes, option 3 is correct. Next question. The oxidation number of oxygen in KO2. KO2, potassium superoxide. You know that O2 minus is superoxide ion. Normally O2 molecule, O double bond O, 2 lone pairs present on each oxygen atom. Okay, that is O2 molecule. O2 minus means if O2 molecule gain 1 electron, then it is O2 minus. That is superoxide ion. Due to large size of the O2 minus is large. That's why large sized cations, potassium, rubidium and cesium, those cations large size. Okay, those large sized cations effectively hold that large sized, that superoxide ion. That's why KO2, RbO2, CSO2, those are stable. LiO2, NaO2 cannot form because small sized cannot hold large sized superoxide ion. Okay, now KO2, let's calculate. K plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 0 because it is neutral molecule. Now 2x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1 by 2. Yes, -1 by 2. Then which one is correct? Option 3 is correct. Okay, next question. Assign oxidation number of central atom of different compounds. Here Carose acid, H2SO5, peroxymonosulfuric acid is called Carose acid. Its structure is S double bond O, single bond OH, single bond OH. Okay, that is peroxymonosulfuric acid is called Carose acid. Here total 5 oxygen atoms are present. Here peroxy bond is present. 2 oxygen atoms joined with a single bond, peroxy bond. Here -1 oxidation number, remaining 3 oxygen atoms as usual -2. So write like this, H2SO3O2. Okay, a 2 into plus 1 plus 2 plus x plus 3 into -2, 3 oxygen atoms as usual -2. 2 oxygen atoms which are bonding with a single bond, peroxy bond, -1, 2 into -1, neutral molecule, that's why sum is equal to 0. Now plus 2 plus x minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, that implies x is equal to plus 6 is oxidation number. Here plus 6 is oxidation number of sulfur. Okay, central atom sulfur, plus 6 is oxidation number. Second one is Marshall acid. Marshall acid means H2S2O8. Peroxy disulfuric acid is called Marshall acid. Its structure is S double bond O, single bond O, S double bond O, single bond OH, single bond OH, that is H2S2O8. Here also peroxy bond is present. The two oxygen atoms which are linked with single bond, those oxygen atoms, oxidation number -1, remaining oxygen atoms as usual -2. Then we can write like this: H2S2O6O2. Two hydrogens here +2 plus 2x. 6 oxygen atoms -2 as usual. 6 into -2 -12. Here -2. 2 oxygen atoms -1. 2 into -1 -2 is equal to 0. Now +2 -2 cancel. 2x is equal to +12. Here x is equal to +6 is oxidation number. Here also Marshall acid also +6 oxidation number. And peroxyphosphoric acid. Peroxyphosphoric acid. H3PO5. H3PO5 is peroxyphosphoric acid. Here P double bond O, single bond OH, single bond OH. That is the structure of peroxyphosphoric acid. 3 oxygen atoms as usual -2, 2 oxygen atoms -1. Okay, then H3PO5 +3 into +1 +3 plus X. Out of 5, 2 oxygen atoms -1, remaining 3 oxygen atoms -2. 3 oxygen atoms -2 means -6, and -2 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, +3 plus X -8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to +5 is oxidation number of phosphorus in that peroxyphosphoric acid, +5. Okay. Next, per-titanic acid. Per-titanic acid, its structure is, its formula is H2TiO4. H2TiO4 is per-titanic acid. Here also peroxy bond is present. A titanium, single bond O, peroxy bond, single bond OH, single bond OH. It is structure of per-titanic acid. Okay, these 2 oxygen atoms as usual -1 because peroxy bond is present. Peroxy bond -1. These 2 oxygen atoms as usual -2. Okay. Now +2 plus X. Out of those 4 oxygen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms -1. 2 into -1 -2. And 2 oxygen atoms -2. 2 into -2 -4 is equal to 0. Okay. +2 -2 cancel. Now X is equal to +4 is oxidation number of titanium. Okay. Peroxy bonds are present. Here +4 is oxidation number of that per-titanic acid. And CrO5, chromium pentoxide. Its structure is butterfly structure. 2 peroxy bonds are present. CrO5. Only this oxygen atom -2 oxidation number. Remaining 4 oxygen atoms -1, -1, -1, -1. Okay, calculate. X, 1 oxygen -2, remaining 4 oxygen atoms -1, 4 into -1, -4 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to +6 is oxidation number of that chromium in chromium pentoxide. Do you understand? X, 1 oxygen -2, X -2, and 4 oxygen atoms, 4 into -1, -4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +6. Okay. Here also, here +6 is oxidation number of chromium. And perxenate ion, XeO6 4-, perxenate ion. Here name is per, but peroxy bond is not present. Name is only perxenate, peroxy bond is not present. Okay. XeO6 4-. Let us calculate the oxidation number of xenon. Let it be X plus 6 into -2 is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now x minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Now x is equal to plus 8. So plus 8 is oxidation number of xenon in perxenate ion. Okay. And last one, perchlorate ion. Perchlorate. ClO4 minus perchlorate ion. Here name is per, but peroxy bond is not present. Here Cl double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O minus. That is ClO4 minus perchlorate ion. All oxygen atoms as usual minus 2 oxidation number. No peroxy bond. Okay. Name is like that, perchloric acid. No peroxy bond. Here X plus 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. X minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 7. Plus 7 is oxidation number of chlorine in that perchlorate ion. Okay. Here plus 7 is oxidation number. Just is giving assign oxidation numbers to central atom in these molecules. Okay. Carose acid, peroxy monosulfuric acid is carose acid plus 6 peroxy bond is present. And Marshall acid, peroxy disulfuric acid is called Marshall acid. Okay, 1 peroxy bond is present plus 6 is oxidation number. And peroxy phosphoric acid, peroxy bond is there, here plus 5 is oxidation number. Paratitonic acid, 1 peroxy bond is there, here plus 4 is oxidation number. CrO5, chromium pentoxide, 2 peroxy bonds are present, butterfly structure. Okay, 1 oxygen atom minus 2, remaining oxygens minus 1, here also plus 6 oxidation number. Perxenate ion, name is like that only, but no peroxy bond. Okay, Xe plus 8 is oxidation number. Next, perchlorate ion plus 7 is oxidation number, no peroxy bond. Okay, next question. 1 mole of N2H4 lost 10 moles of electrons and formed a new compound Y in which all hydrogens are present without change in oxidation state. The oxidation number of nitrogen in new compound Y is 1 mole of N2H4 hydrazine. Okay. Losses how many electrons? Lost how many electrons? 10 moles of electrons. 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay. 2 moles of nitrogen atoms. Lost 10 moles of electrons. That is given data. Then 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen lost how many electrons? 2 moles of nitrogen atoms. Because it is given 1 mole of N2H4. 1 mole of N2H4, here 2 moles of nitrogen atoms are present. Lost 10 electrons, 10 moles of electrons. Then 1 mole of nitrogen lost how many moles of electrons? 5 moles of electrons. Okay. First of all, let us calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen in N2H4. 2x plus 4 into plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 2 is oxidation number of each nitrogen atom. Each nitrogen atom minus 2. So 1 nitrogen atom minus 2. So 1 nitrogen atom, it lost 5 moles of electrons. Okay, 5 moles of electrons means if it lose 1 mole of electron, minus 2 will become minus 1. And next, if we lose 1 mole of electron, again 1 mole of electron, minus 1 will become 0, oxidation number. And 1 mole of electron, then plus 1. Next mole, plus 2. 1 more mole of electron, then plus 3. After losing here 5 moles of electrons, what is the new oxidation number of that compound, nitrogen in that compound Y? Plus 3. Okay. After losing 5 moles of electrons, here new compound nitrogen oxidation number is plus 3. Okay, then option 3 is correct. Next question. The oxidation state of phosphorus is minimum in P4O6. P4O6, 4x minus 12 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to 4x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to plus 3 is oxidation number of phosphorus. Okay. Next, NaH2PO2, sodium hypophosphite, its name is sodium hypophosphite, Na plus 1, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 into plus 1, phosphorus, let it be X, 2 oxygen atoms, 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0, plus 1 plus 2 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, X minus 1 is equal to 0, now X is equal to plus 1. Here plus 1 is oxidation number of phosphorus. Here phosphorus plus 3, here plus 1. And PH3, phosphine, X plus 3 into plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to minus 3. Here phosphorus minus 3 is oxidation number. And sodium phosphate, Na3PO4, 3 into plus 1 plus X plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Here plus 3 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to plus 5 is oxidation number of phosphorus. Here plus 5. He asking about minimum oxidation number. Here minus 3 is correct. Phosphine is correct. Okay. Oxidation state of phosphorus in pyrophosphate ion, P2O7 4 minus, pyrophosphate ion, oxidation number of phosphorus, P2O7 4 minus, 2x plus 7 into minus 2, it is an ion. That's why sum of all the oxidation number should be equal to charge present on it is equal to minus 4. Then 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 4, 2x is equal to plus 10, then x is equal to plus 5. Plus 5 is oxidation number of phosphorus. Then option 4 is correct. Okay. Oxidation state of sulfur in sodium tetrathionate. Sodium tetrathionate. Na2S4O6. 2 into plus 1 plus 4x. Sulfur, let it be x, 4x. Plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So plus 2 plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 4, that is equal to plus 2.5 is oxidation number of that sulfur. In the structure actually 2 different kinds of sulfurs are present. S double bond O, single bond S, single bond S, S double bond O, single bond ONA, single bond ONA. That is structure of sodium tetrathionate. This sulfur oxidation number plus 5. This sulfur oxidation number plus 5. Both are having same kind of environment. Okay, plus 5 oxidation number. These two sulfurs oxidation numbers, you know, when elements are combined with its own elements, oxidation number is taken as 0. That's why here 0, 0 oxidation number. Here plus 5, 0, 0 plus 5. Now take the average oxidation number. This is the average oxidation number. Okay, total 4 sulfurs plus 10, 5 plus 5 plus 10 by total 4 atoms, 4 sulfurs, 10 by 4 is plus 2.5. That is average oxidation number. Directly we can calculate plus 2.5. But originally inside two different sulfurs are present. Okay. Next question. Oxidation number of phosphorus in barium hypophosphite. Barium hypophosphite. Barium, second year group element, plus 2, unique oxidation number plus 2. H2PO2 taken twice means 4 hydrogens are present. 4 hydrogens. 4 into plus 1 is oxidation number. And 2 phosphorus atoms. 2x. 2 phosphorus atoms. And 4 oxygen atoms. Plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0 because it is neutral molecule. Now plus 2 plus 4 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 2. Now x is equal to plus 1. Here barium hypophosphite. Okay. The phosphorus oxidation number is plus 1. Then option 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Iron in lowest oxidation state is in first ferrous sulfate. Ferrous FeSO4. FeSO4 7H2O is given. Fe, let it be X. Okay. Total sulfate ion exists as minus 2. Total sulfate ion minus 2. You want to measure individually, take sulfur oxidation number plus 6. Then only we can calculate the oxidation number of iron as plus 2, ferrous. Okay, anyway, here X. Total SO4 exists as SO4 minus 2. Minus 2. Here hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Plus, here 14 into plus 1 plus 7 into minus 2. Here plus 14, minus 14 cancel. Sum is equal to 0. It is neutral molecule. That's why here X is equal to plus 2. That is ferrous. Here plus 2. Oxygen SO4 2 minus, okay, minus 2. Here sulfur plus 2 is oxidation number. Sorry, iron plus 2 oxidation number ferrous. And FeCO5, iron carbonyl. Iron carbonyl. You know, some molecules are termed as ligand or coordination groups. Some molecules are neutral molecules. Their individual groups oxidation numbers are taken as 0. H2O 0, NH3 ammonia molecule 0 is oxidation number, and carbon monoxide CO 0, neutral ligand, neutral coordination group. Okay. Now Fe, let it be X, plus 5 into total CO 0 is oxidation number. Carbon monoxide, neutral ligand, that's why 0. Sum is equal to 0. Now X is equal to 0. In iron carbonyl, its name is carbonyl. Carbon monoxide present as ligand. Those are called carbonyls. 0 is oxidation number. Okay, here plus 2. And Fe 0.94O. It is non-stoichiometric compound. Fe 0.94O, non-stoichiometric compound. Okay. Write like this. Here 0.94 O means here O1. O1 only. If you write Fe as 94, then oxygen we can write like 100. Fe 94, 100, O 100. Okay. Now let us calculate the oxidation number of iron. 94 into X. 94X. plus 100 into oxygen as usual minus 2. 100 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 94x minus 200 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 200 by 94. That is the oxidation number of that iron. It is fractional value. Oxidation number may be minus, negative or positive or 0 or fractional values, no problem. And last one, Fe3O4. Fe3O4. Okay. Let us calculate the oxidation number of iron. Let it be x. 3 irons, 3x plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to plus 8 by 3. Actually Fe3O4 is non-stoichiometric compound. It is mixed oxide. It is mixed oxide. It is combination of both FeO and Fe2O3. It is mixed oxide. Okay. It is non-stoichiometric compound. FeO and Fe2O3 combination. Ferrous plus 2, ferrous oxide and ferric oxide, ferric plus 3 oxidation number. Now how many iron atoms are here? 3. One is plus 2 and 2 irons plus 3, then plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 by 3 irons plus 8 by 3. Okay, anyway, he asking about lowest oxidation state, 0. In iron carbonyl, 0. Okay, next question. The composition of sample of oocyte is Fe 0.93O1. Okay. What is the percentage of iron present in the form of Fe plus 3? Roman 3 means Fe plus 3. Okay. This is non-stoichiometric compound. What is that? Fe 0.93O1.00. In this kind of non-stoichiometric compounds, iron exists as Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus also. Both are present. Both Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus are present in definite ratio, in definite percentage. Okay, let us calculate the percentage of Fe plus 3 in this compound. First write like this, Fe 93O100. Okay, in that Fe 93, X percentage or X moles of Fe3 plus ions are present. Okay, then 93 minus X. 93 minus X moles of Fe in the form of plus 2. Both plus 3 and plus 2 ions are present inside. If plus 3, Fe plus 3 ions, let the ratio or the composition is plus 3 X, then plus 2 is 93 minus X. Okay. Then in neutral molecule, total positive charge is equal to total negative charge. You know that in neutral molecule, total plus charge is equal to total minus charge. Here total plus charge, Fe plus 3, how many are present? X are present. X into plus 3. Okay. Plus Fe plus 2, how many moles are present here? 93 minus X. So 93 minus X into plus 2. Okay. Is equal to, is total plus charge is equal to total minus charge. Here minus charge is due to that oxygen. Okay, 100 oxygen atoms are present, 100 moles. Here 100 into minus 2. 100 into minus 2. Okay, here 3x plus 2 into 93, 186 minus 2x is equal to minus 200. Okay, let us equalize the magnitude values. This side plus charge, that side minus charge. Equalize the magnitude values. 2 into 100, 200. Okay. Now, x plus 186 is equal to 200. Now, x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 here. Fe3 plus 14, he is asking about the percentage. That's why here 14 by 93. Total number of iron here 93, 14 by 93 into 100. Its value is equal to 15.5 percentage. 15.5 percentage. In that way, we can calculate Fe3 plus percentage. If we are asking about Fe2 plus percentage, then 93 minus 14. 93 minus 14 divided by 93 into 100. Then you will get Fe2 plus percentage. Okay. Thank you. The session is completed. Thank you.